from Shree Learning Academy, and we are covering Encryption Technologies today. For personalized training, message us on WhatsApp. We would love to help. Now let's dive in. Encryption is a critical part of keeping digital information secure. It involves converting data into a code that only authorized parties can read. To make sure that encrypted data stays safe, several technologies and methods are used. Four of the most important technologies in the world of the encryption are Trusted Platform Module, that is TPM, Hardware Security Module, that is HSM, Key Management System, that is KMS, and the Secure Enclave. In this chapter, we will break down each of these technologies in simple terms, explain how they work, and give real-life examples to help you understand their importance. Start with Trusted Platform Module, that is TPM. So what is TPM? It is a small chip embedded in a computer or device, and this chip is designed to securely store encryption keys and sensitive information. It ensures that any actions requiring security, such as encryption or decryption, are done safely without exposing the keys to potential attackers. How does TPM work? TPM works by storing cryptographic keys, that is special codes used to lock and unlock the data inside the chip itself. These keys are never exposed to the outside world, meaning even if hacker gains access to the computer's hard drive, they won't be able to retrieve the encryption keys. The chip ensures that only authorized actions can take place on the system. For example, when you log into your computer, TPM can be used to store your login credentials. It helps verify that the system hasn't been tampered with, offering protection against malicious software. Example of TPM: think of TPM like a lockbox inside your computer where you store your most important keys. But no one can open the box unless they have the right code. If someone tries to tamper with the system or steal the keys, the TPM will ensure that the data remains encrypted and safe. Hardware Security Module, that is HSM. What is an HSM? It is a physical device used to generate, store, and manage cryptographic keys. These devices are often used by an organization to securely handle the keys that protect sensitive data. Unlike TPMs, which are often embedded inside personal devices like laptops, HSMs are usually large, standalone machines used by businesses and data centers. So how does HSM work? They provide a very secure environment for storing and managing encryption keys. When an organization needs to encrypt data, the HSM is responsible for generating a unique key and performing the encryption operation. And since the keys never leave the HSM, they are protected from unauthorized access, even if someone gains access to the organization's server or database. Examples of HSM: say, consider a bank that needs to encrypt the financial information of its customer. To ensure this information is safe, the bank can use an HSM to manage the key used in the encryption process. The HSM would store the keys and perform the encryption operation, ensuring that only authorized personnel can access or use those keys. Key Management System, that is KMS. What is KMS? It is a software solution used to manage the life cycle of cryptographic keys. It helps in creating, storing, distributing, and retiring encryption keys in a safe and organized manner. Key management is crucial because encryption keys are at the heart of protecting data, and managing them improperly can lead to vulnerabilities. So how does KMS work? It ensures that keys are used securely by allowing administrators to control how and when keys are accessed. It can enforce policies for key rotation, that is changing keys regularly, key destruction, that is deleting keys once they are no longer needed, and key usage monitoring, that is keeping track of which users or systems are using the keys. For instance, a KMS can automatically generate and store keys for an organization's encryption system. It can also manage the permissions for each key, allowing only specific people or system to use a particular key at a given time. Examples of KMS: imagine a company that uses encryption to protect its email communication. The company would use a KMS to manage the keys that encrypt and decrypt the emails. The KMS ensures that the keys are rotated regularly to prevent them from being guessed over time, and ensures that only authorized users can access them. Secure Enclave. So what is Secure Enclave? It is a specialized area within a computer processor, that is your CPU, that is isolated from the rest of the system. This area is used to run sensitive operations securely, even if the main operating system is compromised. It is designed to keep data and processes isolated from other parts of the computer to prevent the malicious software from accessing or tampering with them. So how does a secure enclave work? The key feature of secure enclave is its isolation. Data stored inside a secure enclave cannot be accessed by the main operating system, application, or even the administrator of the system. This makes it very difficult for the attackers to access the sensitive data, as they would need to bypass several layers of the security to do so. When an application uses an secure enclave, it can run processes that involve private data without exposing the data to the rest of the computer. For example, it can store passwords, encryption keys, or biometric data in a way that is highly secure. Now, examples of secure enclave. Apple's Secure Enclave is a good example of this technology. It is used in Apple devices such as iPhones and iPads to store sensitive information like Face ID data or encryption keys. If someone tries to tamper with the device, the Secure Enclave will prevent unauthorized access to this sensitive data, even if the main operating system has been compromised. So, why are these technologies important? Protecting the sensitive information. Encryption technologies like TPM, HSM, KMS, and secure enclaves are critical in protecting the sensitive information, whether it's your personal data, financial records, or confidential business information. These technologies help ensure that your data stays secure. For instance, without a TPM or an HSM, if someone gets access to your device, they could potentially steal your encryption keys and decrypt your personal data. With these technologies in place, the data remains protected because the keys are stored in a secure, isolated environment, preventing unauthorized access. Another benefit of these encryption technologies is that they prevent unauthorized access. With TPM and secure enclaves, even if the hacker gains access to your device or system, they cannot easily access sensitive data. The keys and important processes are protected in secure areas that are difficult to tamper with, ensuring data integrity. These technologies also ensure that data cannot be tampered with. If someone tries to change or manipulate the encrypted data, the system can detect the tampering attempt and prevent it from happening. For example, HSMs help ensure that encryption keys are never exposed to unauthorized users, and secure enclaves prevent malicious software from interfering with the sensitive data. So, in conclusion, encryption technologies like TPM, HSM, KMS, and secure enclaves are all essentials in ensuring that our data remains safe from prying eyes. Whether it's protecting the personal information on your phone or ensuring that a company's financial data remains secure, these technologies play a vital role in maintaining privacy and security in the digital world. By using TPM to secure encryption keys, HSMs to protect data at scale, KMS to manage key life cycles, and secure enclaves to keep sensitive data isolated. These systems work together to provide comprehensive protection. Each one offers a unique way to secure data, ensuring that no matter how data is being used or transmitted, it remains safe from unauthorized access or tampering. So, next time you use an encrypted service, remember that these technologies are working behind the scenes to keep your data safe and secure. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you are looking for more personalized training, contact us on WhatsApp. We offer a range of theoretical and practical courses starting at just $99. You can also find a written explanation and a quiz on our website. Link in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful videos and feel free to ask any questions in the comments. We are here to help. See you in the next one.